Hello, good evening everyone. I'm Gloria. I'm the organizer of this Pytorch bootcamp at Roche. And the reason I'm doing this video is because I got some emails from some of you regarding the setup that you have to do for the exercises. So let me clarify what I mean by that. So if you log into the course and you get to the last of the module, so after the interview with Sumit Chintala, you have this introduction to Pytorch module. And basically, the first step, the instruction presents itself and then explains you how to get set up. And here it basically says that you can do the notebooks in the course. Some of you text me you couldn't find it. I couldn't find it either. But they also explain you how to do the setup locally. And they talk about Anaconda and how to clone it and the hardware. So of course there are many ways to do it, and I'm by no means a reference, but I just wanted to share with you all how I did it, and if you feel that's helpful, then feel free to copy it. So basically I'm using Colab. So what is Colab? I wrote a while ago an article about it. So and actually during our first session in the bootcamp I will be talking way more about this tool, but for now think about it just as a kind of like Jupyter notebook, but the hardware that you have comes with GPUs for free. So that's going to be very, very useful, maybe not for this module, which is just introduction to Pytorch, but for the next modules, for instance, for the convolutional neural net models. So that's why I think Colab will be here useful. So maybe you want to take a look at the article, and especially to these articles that other people wrote, and they go more in detail. I will be telling you more about it tomorrow. So how do you get Colab? Well, actually, you already have it. So that's, for instance, my Roche drive. And if I go here to more, I see here Colab as an option. If you don't see it, because maybe you never used it before, then you have to click here where it says connect more apps. And then you can look for Colab and you can connect it. Once you have connected, maybe you have to reload the page, then you will find this. And then you can create any notebooks with Colab, and I will be showing you the details tomorrow. But what I did is basically I created this notebook cloning Audacity repo. And here I mounted my drive. So now this Google VM, which is running the code, has access to my drive. And I'm basically changing directory to my Pytorch run directory. And here you can see the files I have. And here I'm just cloning the course repo. So then here you have two options. Either you clone the course repo, or you could also clone my repo. Basically what I did is just a copy of the course repo, but I'm planning on putting the videos that I will be recording. I mean, since we don't have the chance to meet in person, at least for now, I will be recording the sessions, and I was planning to put them all in this repo. So you might want to clone this repo instead. Yeah, so that would be it. And then what I also wanted to show you, okay, and basically once you clone this repo, what you will get is you see that now you have a new folder. So ls, I'm listing here the folders, and you see you have a new folder. You can go inside, and here you have all the files for the exercises. And that's very nice, because then you can, basically you can do the exercises on this folder already on your Roche drive. Then let's say you want to create your own repo, and now basically push the changes to this repo. So that's in Colab a bit tricky, and actually it took me quite a long time to figure it out. That's a question of mine in Stack Overflow, and actually I could not find the answer until I read this article on Medium, which is this one. So basically you have here the answer in case you want to then do your exercises and push it to your own repo. Nevertheless, I will be sharing with you this file so that you can see how to do it. And the tricks is basically what I'm doing is, since I have cloned this course repo, then I'm removing the configuration files from the Git. Then I'm initializing a new repo. You could also change the remote. with my basically user email, username, and then I will add my password and commit to Collab. But this second part I think is not that important. It's just in case you want to push your own code to Collab, which to me took honestly a very long time to figure out. So the most important thing is this line you see here, mount your drive, and then clone whatever repo, mine or the course default, so that you can do your exercises with GPU. Okay, so I think that's it, and I'm very excited to meet you all on Wednesday.